Use the law of attraction to make money even in a recession. The book The Secret explains the universal law of attraction. The author claims that by harnessing the power of your thoughts and consciously directing yourself to think of what you want, you can actualize your dreams. Using the law of attraction, you can bring into your life anything you want, even more money during a recession. Here's how to use the law of attraction to make money even in a recession. Understand the law. Even if you don't know the law of attraction and don't believe it, it is still working in your life. What you put your thoughts into is what will manifest in your life. If you keep thinking of bills, debt, unemployment, and worries, those are exactly what the law of attraction will bring more of to you. On the other hand, if you think of more money, windfall money, a promotion, or raise, then that's what you'll bring into your life. Think about what you want. Start by making a list of what you want. In this case, you want more money. Take it to the next level and think about the things you will do with that money. You'll be able to send your kids to private school, place your money in good investments, go on a vacation or buy a home, even if everyone else is getting foreclosed. You can also attract a good money manager or a good business opportunity into your life. Be as specific as you want. The law of attraction will bring it to you if you hold steadfast to your thought. Don't focus on what you don't want. You need to channel your thoughts towards good and positive things and not think about all the negative stuff. When your bills come in the mail, think of them as checks in the mail. Worry, doubt and fear will all negate your positive thoughts and detract you from magnetizing what you really want to have. Write it down. Start a dream journal and write down what you want. Be specific because the more realistic it is for you, the easier it is to manifest. Even placing a post-it note on your dresser so you can use positive affirmations on a daily basis will help set the tone of your day. Say your affirmations in the present tense and really believe that you already have what you are hoping for. If it's more customers for your business, write it down. If it's more referrals of high-paying customers, write it down. Believe you will receive. Don't shoot yourself in the foot when you do this. Don't think in my dreams, or that's all it will ever be. Get proactive. Act as if you already have manifested your desires. Make space in your parking lot for more customers. Fill your cash register with extra change money for all the cash payments you will receive. Think about what funds you will invest your money in and start researching where you'll put the extra money you'll get. Insulate yourself from negativity. Stop watching the news or reading the financial papers if it gets you depressed and worried. Instead, focus on your positive thoughts. You must constantly fill your mind with thoughts of more money, so that's what will come to you. You can use the law of attraction to make money even during the most difficult economic times. You simply have to believe you can do it, so you can make the change today. Once you master how to work with this law, you can apply it to other areas in your life to attract love, happiness, good health, and just about anything else you want in your life.